Morning, all of you. The last class we have seen Cauchy integral theorem, right? So in today's class, we are going with the Cauchy integral formula. Cauchy integral formula. What is the statement? So let f of z be analytic. Let f of z be analytic within and on a closed contour C, except at a point z equal to a, then 1 by 2 pi I integral C f of z by z minus a dz, which is equal to 2 pi I, which is equal to 2 pi I. So this can be written as integral C f of z by z minus a dz, so which is equal to 2 pi I. So 2 pi I. Now coming to proof. So we need to prove integral C f of z by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I f of a, right? So here also f of a, 2 pi I f of a. See, so let us take a circle, so with radius r, right? So this is a circle, radius r, so let it be, right? Now, so this is your C. Now consider a circle with the radius r naught, with let it be some, here is a, right? So with the r naught. So this is a circle with the r naught. So center is a, right? C naught. So this is entirely contained in C. That means, see, from this lim from this integral C f of z by z minus a dz is equal to integral C naught f of z by z minus a dz, right? So this is your circle entirely contained in C. So that is mod z minus a equal to r, right? So with the center r naught, a small circle. So then, so what is z? It is a plus r naught e power I theta naught. A plus r naught e power I theta naught. Then what is the dz? It is see, it is a constant. It is 0. So that means it is r naught e power I theta naught into d theta naught. So where theta naught is lies between 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. So it is 0 to 2 pi, right? Then see, so now our integral so becomes, see, which is equal to integral over, so where theta equal to 0 to 2 pi, so f of z na f of a plus r naught e power I theta naught by z minus a na, z minus a, from this z minus a is r naught e power I theta naught. Now what is dz? It is r naught e power I theta naught d theta naught, right? So this is get cancelled, right? So here it is I again. If you differentiate here, so here I will I, right? So then so your I is outside, right? I into integral, so theta naught equal to 0 to 2 pi, see, f of a plus r naught e power I theta naught, so into d theta naught, right? So if r naught tends to 0, so then what you get, it is I into theta naught equal to 0 to 2 pi, which is f of a. When r naught tends to, then it is f of a I, so then it is d theta naught, the limits 0 to 2 pi, right? Then which is equal to, see, f of a into I into, so theta naught within the limits 0 to 2 pi, then so which is f of a I into 2 pi minus 0. So then this can be written as 2 pi I f of a. So here is left hand is integral c f of z by z minus a dz, right? Very important. That means our f of z is analytic within and on a closure contour except one point. So then we can use Cauchy integral formula. Cauchy integral formula, right? Then so let us take one problem. Evaluate evaluate integral e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, where c is the circle mod z equal to 3. C is the circle mod z equal to 3. So we need to find integral of this, right? Then see, see. So we need to evaluate, so e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, right? Then we need to check whether this z equal to 1 z equal to 2 lies inside the given circle or not. So what is c given? Mod z equal to mod z equal to 3, right? So mod z equal to 3 is nothing but it is a circle with the center origin having radius 3, having radius 3, right? So that means this point is 3 comma 0, right? Now what is the given? Since z equal to 1 z equal to 2 lies inside or outside, we need to check. See, uh, so this is 2 comma 0, right? So this is 1 comma 0, so that means this is your circle mod z equal to 1. So this is your circle mod z equal to 2. That means z equal to 1 z equal to 2 lies inside the circle, inside the circle mod z equal to 3, right? So or you directly put z equal to 1 z equal to 2. So or when z equal to 1, then modulus of z is, so it is modulus of 1, so it is equal to 1 less than 3, right? So when z equal to 2, so it is modulus of 2, modulus of z which is equal to modulus of 2, it is 2 less than 3. So less than 3 means then those points are lies inside. So if it is greater than, that points lies outside. See, so our statement is integral f of z by z minus a dz only, right? So here 2 point lies inside. So when 2 point lies inside, so we need to use partial fractions. For that, what is z minus 1, z minus 2? So partial fractions you have to use. That is nothing but a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2, right? Now see, so for partial fractions, which is equal to a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1, right? So then put z equal to 2, what happens? So when z equal to 2, it is 1 into a into 0 plus b into 1, right? Then what is b? It is 1. So when we put z equal to 1, what happens? See, 1 equal to, so a into it is minus 1 now, b into 0. Then, so what is a? It is minus 1, right? So then 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2, so can be written as a is nothing but minus 1 plus b is nothing but 1, right? Then e power z you need, that means e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 2, which is equal to here is minus e power 2z by z minus 1 plus here is e power 2z by z minus 2. Now you have to integrate over c now. That means integral over c e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz is equal to minus of integral e power 2z by z minus 1 dz plus integral e power 2z by z minus 2 dz over c, right? So this is let it be equation 1. Then now consider integral c e power 2z by z minus 1 dz, right? So for this z equal to 1 lies inside circle or z equal to 3, right? So therefore using Cauchy integral formula, Cauchy integral formula. So Cauchy integral formula ఏంటి? So Cauchy integral formula is nothing but integral c f of z by z minus a dz, so which is equal to 2 pi I f of a, where a is lies inside na. So therefore it can be written as f of z is nothing but e power 2z by z minus 1 dz can be written as 2 pi I f of 1, so where f of z is e power 2z, so that means it is 2 pi I e power 2, right? So this is equation 2, let it be. Now consider another part, integral c e power 2z by z minus 2 dz, right? So from this also z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. Since z equal to 2 lies inside the circle or z equal to 3. Therefore, by Cauchy integral formula, by Cauchy integral formula, we can write integral c f of z by z minus a dz equal to 2 pi I f of a, right? So therefore, e power 2z by z minus 2 dz is equal to 2 pi I f of 2, right? So 2 pi I into f of 2 na. So where here f of z is e power 2z. right? Then what is f of 2? E power 2 into 2, which is nothing but 2 pi I e power 4. Equation 3, right? Now substituting 2 and 3 in 1. Substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get what we get equals C e power 2z by z minus 1 into z minus 2 dz is equal to minus of 2 pi I e square plus 2 pi I e power 4, right? So if we take common 2 pi I, it is e power 4 minus e square. This your right. Now if we take another problem, evaluate evaluate integral C e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 4 dz, where C is the circle mod z equal to 2. Circle mod z equal to 2, right? Now see, we need to calculate z minus 1 z minus 4 dz, right? Now, now at z equal to 1, whether it lies inside or not. How to check? So directly substitute mod z, which is mod 1, so which is 1 less than 2. So therefore z equal to 1 lies inside the circle mod z equal to 2, right? Now similarly, so how to check for mod z equal to 4? For z equal to 4, so modulus of z, so which is equal to modulus of 4. 4 is greater than 2. So therefore z equal to 4 lies outside the circle, right? So therefore, how we write our question is e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 4 dz, 8 z minus 4 dz is equal to, see, so e power 2z by, so z minus 4 is outside now, so therefore we write like this. Now we take f of z is this, so this is analytic, right? It's analytic everywhere, so except at this point z equal to 1, right? By Cauchy integral formula. Cauchy integral formula, so this can be done as, see, by I f of 1, so 2 pi I f of 1, so where f of z is, e power 2z by z minus 4, right? Therefore integral C e power 2z by z minus 1 z minus 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I, so f of 1 na e power 2 by 1 minus 4, nothing but minus 2 by 3 pi I e square is your answer, right? And then go for the next problem. Evaluate integral C sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz, where C is the circle mod z equal to 3. mod z equal to 3, right? We need to find integral c sin of pi z square plus cos of pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz. The given circle is mod z equal to 3. Now clearly z equal to 1 lies inside 3 because modulus of 1 which is equal to 1 less than 3. So clearly z equal to 2 lies inside 3. So because modulus of 2 is 2 less than 3. Right? So therefore 2 points 1 and 2 lies inside. So therefore we need to use partial fractions. The first problem, so I given the partial fraction which is minus z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. What you need to find the integral c, this sin of pi z square cos of pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz is equal to minus integral sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 z plus sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz. Let it be this one, right? Now you separately consider. So first one, if you consider integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1. This can be written as by Cauchy integral formula 2 pi I f of 1, which is 2 pi I f of 1 is nothing but sin pi into 1 square plus cos pi into 1 square, right? Which is 2 pi I into sin pi plus cos pi. So what is sin pi? Since we have a formula, sin n pi is always 0. Cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n, right? So therefore this can be written as 2 pi I sin pi is 0 minus 1 minus 2 pi I. So this is equation 2, right? Next one, sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 uh, z minus 1, it is z minus 2. By Cauchy integral formula we can write pi I f of 2 pi I. So where f is nothing but sin pi z square, na? Sin pi z square is 2 square, it is 4, right? Plus cos pi, it is 4. That means it is 2 pi I into sin 4 pi plus cos 4 pi, right? Sin n pi is always 0, it is 0. Cos 4 pi is minus 1 whole power 4, na? That means it is 1 pi I, right? This is equation 3. Now substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1 we get. Substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1 we get what we get, integral c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 z minus 2 dz equal to minus of minus 2 pi I plus pi I. Overall it is 4 pi I is your answer, right? Next problem is evaluate integral C 3z square 7z plus 1 by z plus I z, where C is the circle, mod z plus I equal to 1, right? Now we need to check which point lies inside or not. We need to check z plus I equal to 0. That means z equal to minus I lies inside or not, right? So for that, directly you put z equal to minus I. Given circle is mod z plus I equal to 1. Now when z equal to minus I, what is this? Minus I plus I, which is 0 less than 1. So therefore z equal to minus I lies inside C, right? Therefore take over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z plus I dz equal to 2 pi I f of a, na f of a is nothing but minus, where f of z is nothing but dz square plus 7z plus 1, right? Equal to pi I f of minus I, na minus I, that means it is minus I square plus 7z is 7 into minus I plus 1 is 2 pi I into 3 into I square is minus 1, 7 into minus I plus 1, 2 pi I into minus 3 minus 7I plus 1 is pi I into minus 2 minus 7I. Now if you multiply minus 4 pi I, right, minus 7 to 14 pi I square, that means it is minus 4 I square is minus 1, na? Therefore it can written as 4 I, because I square is minus 1. It is what is equal to 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z plus I dz, where c is mod z plus I equal to 1. It is clear, right? See, there is no problem of inside. So that means for suppose mod z equal to mod z equal to 1. So, but the given point under numerator denominator is z minus 2. Then when we substitute 2, modulus of 2, it is greater than 1. So therefore there is no problem of difficulty to analyticity. That means f of z is analytic everywhere. So then we use Cauchy integral theorem. Suppose there is any point which lies inside the region, inside the circle, means then we have to use Cauchy integral formula. Okay, is it understand? Thank you.